Well, it's Thursday morning in our law firm, and as I've said before, we get a lot of questions at our firm about DUI and DWI, especially in the summer. And while the majority of our questions focus in on cars and vehicles, typical vehicles like just your sedans and SUVs, we do occasionally get questions regarding other vehicles. And specifically, recently, we received a question about motor scooters in New Jersey and whether or not those are considered DWIs and are they vehicles in the Garden State. Now, it's a kind of an interesting question because there is a recent case in New Jersey which indicates that if the scooter is an electric scooter and it has a specific limit in terms of miles per hour, speed, if you will, then it is not considered a vehicle for the purposes of the DWI statute in New Jersey. And that kind of shocked me. And actually, one of our law clerks here came upon it because I had asked him to research the issue, expecting just to confirm what I thought I knew about vehicles in New Jersey, that it's very broad and pretty much anything that rules is considered a vehicle, given that if it's powered by some power source, whether it be electric or gas or whatever. And I thought that New Jersey would simply make it a very broad statute. But in this case that we found, the court actually says that the purpose of the DWI statute is to prevent property damage and obviously fatalities and personal injury. And I guess the court reasoned that this electric scooter in this case, which I believe was the max speed was less than 19 miles an hour, they believe that this particular scooter was not a vehicle for the purposes of the DWI statute. So it's an important case. It's a case that we plan on using because a lot of our clients do go down the shore for the summer. They have various ways of getting around. Sometimes it's a traditional bicycle, which is not a vehicle in New Jersey, obviously, because as the New Jersey code classifies it, it's powered by your own muscular power. But the scooters, a lot of people do use these scooters. So be clear on what you're driving in the event that you are stopped for DWI. It's just an issue that you may want to have your attorney look at, especially if you're down the shore for the summer and you're utilizing one of these scooters, or just call them vehicles, down there. With regards to Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania is not like New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, anything that goes, and it goes as a result of power, some type of artificial power source, whether it be gas, electric, compressed air, whatever, that's a vehicle in Pennsylvania. So Pennsylvania doesn't make that distinction. And really, Pennsylvania confirmed what I thought I knew about the DWI statute in New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, it is very broad. So if you have questions about DWI or DUI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. Our website, gambonelaw.com. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm going to write an article later this week and link it into this video, but our website has a number of resources which are available to you. My blog, my free strategy books are all there. You can learn more about our firm. So I encourage you to visit gambonelaw.com. And again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Everyone have a great day and a great summer. Talk to you soon.